Every minute, your body depends on a constant flow of blood to survive. Oxygen must reach your brain, nutrients must reach your cells, and waste products must be carried away. If this flow stops, even for a few minutes, the consequences can be life-threatening. This entire process is managed by a powerful system inside you called the cardiovascular system, responsible for keeping every cell alive. So how does the cardiovascular system actually work? The cardiovascular system is made up of three main components: the heart, blood, and blood vessels. The heart acts as a pump, blood acts as the transport fluid, and blood vessels act as the pathways that carry blood throughout the body. The heart is a muscular organ located slightly to the left side of your chest. It beats around 60 to 100 times per minute, pumping blood continuously. The heart has four chambers, two upper chambers called atria, and two lower chambers called ventricles. These chambers work together to ensure that blood flows in the correct direction. Blood travels through a network of vessels that include arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the body. Veins return oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. Capillaries are tiny vessels where the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products takes place at the cellular level. The cardiovascular system operates through two main circuits. The pulmonary circulation carries blood from the heart to the lungs, where carbon dioxide is removed and oxygen is absorbed. The systemic circulation then carries oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to tissues. Blood itself plays a crucial role. It carries oxygen through red blood cells, fights infections using white blood cells, and helps in clotting through platelets. It also transports hormones and removes waste products like carbon dioxide and urea. The understanding of the cardiovascular system advanced significantly with the work of William Harvey in the 17th century, who demonstrated how blood circulates through the body. His discovery laid the foundation for modern cardiovascular medicine. When the cardiovascular system is disrupted, serious health problems can occur. Blocked arteries can lead to heart attacks, reduced blood flow to the brain can cause stroke, and high pressure within blood vessels can result in hypertension. These conditions are among the leading causes of death worldwide. Today, modern technology is transforming cardiovascular care. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to analyze heart data, detect abnormalities in heart rhythms, and predict the risk of heart disease. AI-powered systems can examine medical scans and patient data to identify early warning signs, helping doctors intervene before serious conditions develop. The cardiovascular system is essential for life. It ensures that every cell in your body receives oxygen and nutrients while removing waste. Understanding how this system works helps us recognize the importance of maintaining heart health through proper diet, exercise, and lifestyle choices, as well as the role of modern technology in improving healthcare outcomes.